My name is Ben Nunez. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Evercoast. I'm currently located in our headquarters in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, right on the water on the East River in New York City. We started Evercoast with the mission of taking what's been done on these really expensive, large Hollywood-calibre stages and making it something that is portable, cost-effective, accessible to a much wider audience. The way our technology works is that we surround a character or performer with an array of cameras. Our software reconstructs those camera feeds into a full three-dimensional asset. Evercoast Mavericks is our flagship software that's installed on the capture PC where all the cameras are plugged into. It gives the operator complete control over every single camera, exposure, gain, saturation, every sort of color aspect. One of the most amazing things about our technology is that we're able to live stream this data to anywhere in the world within 300 to 500 milliseconds. And we run all of that through an ASUS NUC 14 performance with an Intel Core Ultra 9 and an NVIDIA RTX 4070. A lot of the future of Evercoast is rooted in the transition from 2D to 3D and how generative AI factors into that transition. The ASUS NUC has NPUs in it that enable us to do machine learning processing and AI workflows and workloads that are moving us faster towards that generative AI future. One of the key verticals for Evercoast is universities. Researchers and creative students around the world are using Evercoast systems to capture 3D humans.
We have three major studio partnerships here at NYU Tangent at the Yard. Our first studio partnership we had in this facility is with Evercoast. It's great for understanding how people move in space. We do shoots with dancers, yoga and Pilates, things where it's really just about posture and really nuance of movement. Our computer can handle 29 USB ports, which is quite a feat. And then while you're performing and you're looking at yourself, we have our ASUS ProArt monitors that we can see the color fidelity, being able to tumble around a 3D environment so we can see all the different aspects of the performance before we continue on and start recording.
I've been in the film and television production industry for about 15 years, so I have a lot of experience taking equipment on the road to execute different kinds of shoots and now volumetric video captures. We use the ProArt 32-inch monitor to make sure the color reproduction matches between our digital assets as well as 3D rendering environments. It has really incredible features like 4K UHD resolution, incredible output, 1600 nits peak brightness, that same incredibly accurate color reproduction, and built-in color calibrator with 10-bit color depth.
One of the great use cases of this technology is for live interviews, particularly with athletes and sports. Broadcasters can interview athletes from anywhere in the world and in very real time, very low latency for a live broadcast. The technology that we're using, it's such a visual technology, and having a display and compute company like ASUS pushing that forward has been critical to our success.